If your Kia Rio's Apple CarPlay is glitching or refusing to connect, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistically, over 80% of CarPlay failures are actually caused by a worn-out or non-certified charging cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start with a hard reset of the head unit using the pinhole button, then repair your phone from scratch. Check your screen time settings and ensure Siri is enabled, as CarPlay cannot run without her. Don't overlook physical issues like pocket lint in your charging port or a blown multimedia fuse. Wireless users often face signal interference, while wired users usually deal with physical cable fatigue. A fresh, high-quality cable fixes the issue for 65% of Kia owners. If all else fails, you may need to download a firmware update from the Kia portal to your vehicle. Keep a certified cable and a paperclip handy to resolve most glitches on the road. Always start with the cheapest solution first before paying for a professional diagnostic. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit subscribe for more Kia troubleshooting guides.